Traders, welcome to our market breakdown, guys. My name is Oratile, and I'm a new trader out here documenting his trading journey out here for you guys. So, you guys are here with me today. You guys are gonna witness me break down US30 and the US500, guys. So, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Make sure you guys comment. Make sure you share this with your friends and family, with someone who trades. Make sure you send this to your trader friend. So, guys, I am a price to action trader. I trade breakouts, support and resistance, and trend line. So, right now we're gonna dive into the market and see what US30 and S&P 500 have for us. It's my first video, so guys, bear with me and make sure you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, bro. Let's go, and make sure you tell us. You come back through once the trade has went your direction, and you share with us how you were able to execute. Let's go. Let's dive into it, guys. Let's go. So obviously, I'm gonna start first with marking the area where the market touched, the market reversed. This makes it clearer for me to see now major and important key levels, right? So I'm gonna pick out areas which are relevant to me right now, where the market currently is, right? So as you guys can see, as we go to the daily time frame, these are the key areas we have picked out on the weekly time frame. So first we're going to check. As you can see, the market has been bullish. The market has been pushing up for, since March, bro. Traders have been eating. As we set our trend line, let's go. As you can see, we have our first touch, second touch. We had a third touch. Price pushed up, rejected over here at the resistance level. Then price proceeded to break out. Yesterday we had, as you can see, we had this candle come back, rejecting on the way down there. So let's see now, going down to the 4H time frame, what we're seeing, what the 4H time frame is saying for us. So there we have it. We have our first touch, second touch, we had our third touch. Price pushed up, rejected over here, which means this is a key level for the market. This area is it's a very much interesting level for the market. This level right here is an interesting level. Very price rejected over here, so we're gonna obviously mark this out. You can also see we had it on the weekly time frame that this price is an important area. This right here, the market rejected multiple times. We had multiple rejections here, which means this is a key level. And we can see yesterday price broke out, right, came back all the way up until here, then started pushing down right about around about 3:30. After 3:30, price started pushing down, and traders ate. We ate yesterday. Let's go, guys. Yeah, so we have it. Yesterday we actually, what happened on US30, we caught sells here, till this level. This was last week Friday. We caught sells there. It's not any relevant now, but I'm just sharing with you guys. And then yesterday we managed to get some sells all the way till this area. I remember around about here is where we caught the sells yesterday. So we are looking at what can we do today and how can we eat today. So as you guys see that the market broke out. What is the market doing right now? The market is retesting these areas. It's retesting, I believe, areas where there's been multiple rejections. So let's dive into the 1H and see what we have there. Smoke this. And there we have a clear and important area for us in the market, guys. As you guys can see, we have a very important area in the market. As you can see, we have a clear and important area in the market. I personally would wait for the half past three movement to come play out. I believe price at half past three will spiking up, then creating after the spike up, and then that's when we will be able to catch those amazing sells to the downside, guys. So I would personally wait for half past three. Before half past three, that's when I would wait for price to come back, to come somewhere here. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. This area is the only relevant area to me right now. This one, because I know price is retesting the resistance area right now. So this is the only relevant area. Personally, I'm waiting for half past three to see how half past three plays out. So obviously, I would wait for price to pull up with that bullish candle at half past three. Now, where would I target this trade to go? This would be a trade where I'm looking to hold up until this area right here in the market. Because as you guys can see, that this area is a key level. This is a support area in the market right now. Support area in the market. So do we execute the trade right now? No. We're waiting up until half past three so that we can get those trades in. But we'll most definitely get the trade in once we have had that once we have had a price push up, and then once we have had that, obviously we know now we are going down. So that's it on my end, guys, for that. But make sure you guys catch this trade with me, guys. So make sure that you catch this trade with me, guys. You don't waiting for that, looking for price. So this is what we are anticipating the market to do. So yeah, let's dive now into the S&P 500, guys. On the S&P 500, guys, let's go to the daily time frame and let's mark out areas where the market is very relevant for us. So this is an area where the market touched, the market reversed and went the other direction. These are key areas where now these are the key areas on my end, guys. This is where I'm looking, that these are the very key areas on my end. Let's see if we do not have trend line, and there we have it. So we had our first, second, third touch right over there. Price pushed up, price then came back down, broke out of the trend line. So it broke out of this trend line. Now price is possibly retesting right over this level. Let me just do this level right here. Wait, let me just do this. Price is retesting. So this is our key area. This is our key area. As long as price is under the, I am looking for sales on the S&P 500, guys. I'm not gonna debate on that one. As long as price is below this area, I'm looking for sales. Now, as we can see, we previously saw that we broke out of the trend line. Now we have another trend line right here. We broke out of the trend line, right? We broke out. Now price is what? Price is retesting. This is the breakout and retest. Now this is very simple price action, guys. Breakout and retest. Now is, how do we catch buys here? How do we catch ourselves here? The sellers here. Personally, I would wait for price to push back up until this level. Right here, at this level. Let's push down to the 15-minute. I'd personally wait for price come through back here during the New York session, New York Open. This way I would see price coming back. Put in a tight stop loss, targeting the previous low, targeting these lows over here, This is not a swing trade, this is a day trade. I would most definitely wait for price to come to these areas right here. This would be my take profit. This would be my take profit. This would be a 1:5 on my end. I'd be risking 1%,